Hello everyone, today I am making cheese sandwich. Take 2 slices of breads and spread pizza sauce on it. Here I use brown bread, you can choose any kind of bread that you like. Now put some mozzarella cheese on it. You can use any kind of cheese that you like. Now add some finely chopped onions, tomatoes and green chilies over it. Now I am adding some more mozzarella cheese to make the sandwich more cheesy and delicious. Spread tandoori sauce on the second bread. Now I am sprinkle some spices like Oregano, Chilli Flakes, Peri spice mix to flavor up my cheese sandwich. Let's move on to the next step. Take a pan and heat it. Melt butter in a hot pan. Spread it with a spatula when it melts. Place the bread slice over the melted butter. Flip and toast on the both sides on a low flame until the cheese melts off. Take care not to burn. Now super delicious crispy cheese sandwich is ready. Serve with coffee or tea and enjoy it.